Thank you for watching another episode of Sloan's Reviews. Our mission is to help you decide what to love making next. This is an Uncle Brick brand Mechanical Wasp or Bee Lego kit. Let's see, here's the front side. Back side's got, it's supposed to be mechanical like I said. Crank the handle, and I'm not sure what all movement it does. It looks like flaps its wings and maybe moves its legs. Yeah, okay. This is a quick unboxing video. Let's get into it and see what I got inside here. We did an Uncle Brick Mechanical Shark, or my daughter did, for the channel, and we noticed it had numbered bags. The bags are numbered 0 or 1, and they were pretty much all number 1. So it was kind of like, might as well not even bother with numbering the bags. So you just had to dump them all out and then sort them out and get a bit. I'm hoping this kit will be different than that, because I don't really enjoy that type of building myself, honestly. I prefer to have numbered bags so that the build process goes pretty quickly. Boy, that sucker is really in there. Okay. It's a heavy box. It's got, it's made from 1,698 pieces, it says. Let's see here. Okay, it's got a box in a box, it looks like. Indeed it does have a box in a box. Alright. There we go. It still says Uncle Brick on it, so it's not like it's just a reboxing of somebody else's kit. This is available on Temu. I've also seen it on Amazon. Okay, here we go. So we got some loose pieces here right off the bat. Some tubing. I think these help make the wings. More tubing. Okay. So here is a bag of bags. Let's see what they look like. It says 4-4, which gives me real hope that these are adequately numbered to allow for quick assembly. This says 3, so that must be, yes, 4, 3, and a very hefty book. We'll look at that in a second. 2, and 1. Yep. Alright. So, numbered bags, very nice. We'll put them back in order. There you go. So much for putting it nicely back in the box. Okay, the book is a very thick book. It looks very nice. It's very shiny. Again, reiterates the 1,698 pieces. It is 121 pages long. We've got the motions that it's going to do on the back again. Let's take a look at the actual pages here. Nice color pages there. Bag 1 apparently builds all that, it looks like. Let's see here. So we've got nice colored pieces. The colors don't look washed out. They look, well, looks which should be pretty accurate to the build. We've got comparisons so you know which size of piece that you're looking for, which is very good, both in the axles and in these essentially Lego Technic pieces. Don't know why it took me so long to think of that, but it sure did. Let's see here. Yeah, so I won't show every individual page here, but we'll flip through real quick. Boy, it's got a lot of little knobs to fasten other pieces on. That's crazy. There's bag 2, builds some of the base more, and the crank, it looks like. Yep. Bag 3 looks like builds the abdomen and maybe some more gearing. Yep, okay. And looks like maybe we missed bag 4 in there, but here's the head. Yeah, pretty cool. I'm excited about it. Alright, well, yeah, so this is the Uncle Brick brand Mechanical Bee, Mechanical Wasp. We'll get it built here real soon on camera and give it a full review. And Thanks again for watching. Please like and subscribe. Please consider supporting us on Patreon. We have a camera that could use some assistance there, and any support you can give us would help. That's not something for nothing. For $3 a month, you get access to our videos ad-free. And hopefully that $3 can help you decide what to love making next. Thanks again for watching. Let's talk about Temu for a moment. I was very skeptical, and their app is just like a very nutty game show. But now I'm convinced. When was the last time Amazon gave you money back for a late arrival of your product? Yeah, never. Temu will give you money back if a product shows up late. How much back? I got $13 back on a $145 shipment that arrived 1 day late. They sell the same goods as Amazon for literally a few bucks to double digits worth of discount. Though admittedly, sometimes that means your goods won't come in a box. The app regularly gives you opportunities for discounts and even free merch, but please be careful. They will try to take some advantage of you if you're not careful. Once you figure out how to make the app work for you, you can save a lot of money over what you would pay at Amazon again for the same product. So think about it. Click the link in the description if you want to give it a whirl and prepare for the roller coaster ride that is the Temu app.